Fairfax County is diverse, with 40% speaking a non-English language and 12% born outside the U.S. Volunteers with neighborhood and community services play a key role in connecting residents from all backgrounds to services and programs. Social isolation among older adults, worsened by COVID-19, was addressed with virtual programs, transportation, and multilingual services. Lee-Jane Chen, Director of Silver Light, has been vital in organizing cultural events like the annual Lunar New Year celebration for seniors in our community.
My name is Lee-Jane Chen. I'm the president of Silver Light Seniors Association. And I had quite a few years of experience in serving seniors and vulnerable groups. So I think my experience can be shared with Silver Light because the goal is the same. All the purpose is to serve the seniors. At Silver Light, we want to unite and serve Chinese senior immigrants. And this organization is run by volunteers. We offer various activities and promote social interactions for the senior. To celebrate Lunar New Year, Silver Light at Herndon Senior Center is the major one. All the branches contribute to this activity, this special event. And so from all these branches, they bring in, say, like different style of dances. And because my position is the president, so my job is to oversee the whole program across all branches. I volunteer because I think to give back to the community and to have positive impact to other people's life is the right thing to do. Not only help myself to grow personally, I feel I can help others bring up their well-beings in their life. I think it's very encouraging for myself.
We are truly grateful to our volunteers. Together, we are building a brighter, more connected community. Thank you for your dedication, passion, and service. Please check the Fairfax County Volunteer website and reach out to Neighborhood and Community Services for more ways to reconnect, re-engage, and rediscover the power of community.